Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Saqib. I am from BS Chemistry. My presentation topic is bromine. History. Bromine was discovered in 1826 by the French chemist Antoine Blois in the residues from the manufacture of sea salt. The German chemist Justus von Liebig appears to have obtained the element before Blois, but he wrongly considered it to be iodine chloride because of the bad odors of the element. The French Academy of Sciences suggested the name bromine from the Greek word bromos, meaning bad smell. Bromine. Bromine is a chemical element with the symbol Br and atomic number 35. It is a third lightest halogen and a volatile red-brown at room temperature that evaporates readily to form a similarly colored vapor. Bromine chemical element, a deep red liquid and a member of the halogen element or group 17 of the periodic table. Bromine in periodic table. This is the structure of bromine. Its atomic number 35, symbol Br, electronic configuration Ar 3d10, 4s2 and 4p5. Atomic weight 79.9012 to 79.907. Physical state at 20 degree centigrade is 68 degree Fahrenheit. Bonding strength. The relative strength of bond are covalent bond greater than hydrogen bond greater than permanent dipole interaction greater than London dispersion forces. This can be shown by the comparing two molecules with the same number of electrons. Bromine atoms contain 35 electrons. Bromine exists as a diatomic molecule Br2 and has 70 electrons in total. Bromine molecules contain pure covalent bonds, so are held together by London dispersion forces. Temporary dipoles caused by momentary uneven shedding of electron. Bromine is a liquid at room temperature, melting point -7 degrees centigrade. Element properties. Atomic number 35, atomic weight 79.901 to 79.907, melting point -7.2 degrees centigrade and 19 degrees Fahrenheit, boiling point 59 degrees centigrade and 138 degree Fahrenheit, specific gravity 3.12 at 20 degrees centigrade and 68 degree Fahrenheit, oxidation state -1 +1 +3 +5 and +7. Biological roles. Bromine is present in small amounts in all living things. However, it has no biological roles in humans. Bromine has an irritating effect on the eyes and produce pain when in contact with skin. Natural abundance. Bromine is extracted by electrolysis from natural bromine-rich deposits in the USA, Israel, and China. It was the first element to be extracted from seawater, but this is now only economically viable at the Dead Sea, Israel, which is particularly rich in bromide up to 0.5%. Chemical and physical properties. Free bromine is a reddish brown liquid with an applicable vapor pressure at room temperature. Bromine vapor is amber in color. Bromine has a pungent odor and is irritating to the skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Exposure to concentrated bromine vapor, even for a short time, may be fatal. Like the other halogen, bromine exists as diatomic molecules in all aggregation state. About 3.41 gram of the bromine dissolved in the 100 milliliter water at room temperature. The solution is known as bromine water. Like chlorine water, it is a good oxidizing agent, and it is more useful because it does not decompose so readily. It liberates from free iodine from iodide containing solution and sulfur from hydrogen sulfide. Sulfurous acid is oxidizing by bromine water to sulfuric acid. In sunlight, bromine water decomposes with release of oxygen. Bromine water, a hydrate, can be isolated that contain 172 water molecules and 20 cavities capable of accommodating the bromine molecules. Bromine dissolved in aqueous alkali hydroxide solution, giving bromides, hypobromides, or bromates depending on the temperature. Bromine is readily extracted from water by organic solvent such as carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, or carbon disulfide, in which it is very soluble. The electron affinity of bromine is high and is similar to that of chlorine. It is less powerful oxidizing agent because of the weaker hydration of the bromide ion to as compared with the chloride ion. Similarly, a metal bromine bond is weaker than the corresponding metal chlorine bond, and this difference is reflected in the chemical reactivity of bromine, which lies between that of chlorine and that of iodine. An organic an organic bromo compound resembles the corresponding chloro derivatives, but is usually more dense, more less volatile, and less stable. Uses of bromine. Bromine is used in many areas such as agriculture, chemicals, dyestuff, insecticides, pharmaceutical, and in chemical industries. Some uses are being phased out for environmental reasons, but new uses continue to be found. Bromine compound can be used as flame retardant. They are added to furniture foam, plastic casing for electronics, and textiles to make them less flammable. Organobromide are used in halon fire extinguishers that are used to fight fire on places like museum, aeroplanes, and tanks. Silver bromide is a chemical used in film photography. Thank you so much.